Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to reset your network adapter to defaults in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu and type network reset and hit enter. In this option, this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters. Your PC will be restarted. One click in reset now and click on yes to confirm. Click on close in the new notification pop up and click on close. To apply the change, restart your computer, go to the start menu, select the power off button and click on restart. Login in your desktop. And select your privacy preference. We recommend allowing this on your home and work networks, but not public ones. In this case, I use no. And your network and Wi-Fi works properly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.